Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up a sales pipeline in Trello, the 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, you'll want to create a new board. Head over to Trello, click on Create New Board, and name it Sales Pipeline. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for tracking our sales process. Next up, let's add lists to represent each stage of your sales pipeline. Click Add a List, and name them as prospects, contacted, meeting scheduled, and so on. This helps us because we can visualize our sales process from start to finish. Now that we've done that, it's time to add cards. Cards represent potential deals or customers. Click Add a Card under your first list, Prospects, and fill in the details. Let me explain why this matters. Each card allows us to keep track of individual deals and their progress. The next step is to add labels for easy categorization. Click on a card and then Labels. You can color code these for different product lines, deal sizes, or whatever suits your needs. The reason we do this is to quickly identify and classify our deals at a glance. Finally, let's add due dates to our cards. Click on a card, then Due Date, and select the date. This helps us because it sets a timeline for when we aim to move the deal to the next stage, ensuring we're always on top of our pipeline. So there you have it, a simple yet efficient method to set up a sales pipeline in Trello. Remember, the goal is to keep your pipeline organized and clear, making your sales process smooth and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.